One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. If you're looking for 4 verses or versions for 4 kids, here's how we can jazz it up. Baa baa, white sheep, baa baa, white sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, bags are nearly full. One for the farmer, one for the cook, and one for the kitty cat who's reading a book. Baa baa, rainbow sheep, baa baa, rainbow sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, bright and colorful. One for the artist, one for the clown, and one for the unicorn who flies through town. Baa baa, dino sheep, baa baa, dino sheep, have you any roar? No sir, not anymore. One took my woolly socks, one took my tail, and one's playing dress up with a dino scale. Baa baa, royal sheep, baa baa, royal sheep, have you any gold? Yes ma'am, treasures to